It's called a stall, followed by a spin. It can happen to any plane, and in the case of small general aviation aircraft, there's a 15 to 20% chance that the end result will be fatal. A plane can stall when there's not enough air traveling over the wings to keep it stable and under control. The craft's speed and angle of flight are major factors. When a stall occurs, a spin can follow, an uncontrollable spin, in some cases, resulting in disaster. NASA research centers, historically in the forefront of aviation safety technology advancement, are addressing the problem. In the blue sky over California's Mojave Desert, a sky recently associated with returning space shuttles, there are less dramatic but no less important missions underway. Here at NASA's Dryden Flight Research Facility at Edwards, California, Dale Reed is Director of Innovative Programs. Personally and professionally, Mr. Reed has devoted most of his life to designing, building, and flying model aircraft. His work with small-scale vehicles has contributed significantly to programs ranging from the space shuttle design to current studies aimed at preventing hazardous aircraft spins. Using a technique often employed by model plane flyers to safely recover their craft, Dale Reed and his team have installed an experimental tail assembly on a manned glider.
The airplane is equipped with conventional controls, aileron, rudder, and elevator for normal flight, but it has an experimental control system in it involving a pop-up tail. The pilot can actually pull a lever, move the tail to extremely high angles, up to 72 degrees. This allows the airplane to transition from horizontal flight, normal flight, into what we call deep stall.
With the tail popped up, the stalled plane is stabilized, and instead of going into a spin, the craft gently floats almost straight down, like a helicopter. The pilot can then resume horizontal flight by putting the tail back into its normal position.
So this could be a very simple way for him to recover from an out-of-control maneuver.